Alright, to get things started, simply unscrew the grill of the microphone, and the foam insert is not glued. It's probably just stuck in there with spit. So you're just going to have to peel that off and be careful with it because it is delicate. Look at that. That's probably about 5 years of spit and rust. Absolutely disgusting. Alright, to get rid of this rust, I'm going to drop in some white vinegar. White vinegar will help remove the rust and some of the built-up spit and saliva. And one thing that helps the vinegar is for it to be hot. So here I've got it in front of my space heater. For the foam insert, all you've got to do is wash it under hot water with some hand soap. And you want to be gentle with it because it's a delicate piece of foam, but just work out all that gunk. It's going to be nasty, but you'll get through it. Now, this is the grill after 30 minutes in the hot vinegar. And this is after an hour and a half. You can see how much the vinegar has actually evaporated and left a ring of crap and all the particulate that's floated down to the bottom. This is as long as I kept it in, just the hour and a half. Then I dumped it out into the sink and rinsed off the rest of that vinegar and any stuff that was just lightly on. You can see it's done a pretty remarkable job already. I haven't even scrubbed it at this point. All it's done is sat in hot vinegar and then been rinsed in water. Some small rust spots, which I'm going to take care of with some steel wool and also some 100 grit sandpaper. The steel wool is good for getting it shiny and for getting the very light pieces of rust, but you've got to pull out the sandpaper in the big rust pockets. And then the toothbrush is to get in between the pieces of the grill. Look at all that junk that came out. Now, I've given it a rinse at this point, and this is as clean as I'm going to get it. It's honestly pretty remarkable what just some vinegar and about 5 minutes scrubbing with steel wool and sandpaper can do. Now for reassembly, let's take your foam insert, stuff it back in. Make sure it's tucked well behind the lip so it doesn't get caught up in the threads when you screw your grill back on. Look at that. Looks brand new. Absolutely glad that I went through this process with this microphone. Here you can see a before picture, absolutely raunchy, and after. I hope the information in this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.